Good afternoon all. My name is Vaibhav. I am representing Crestron here. So Crestron is a 52 years old organization and we do very big in the audio and video industries for the CIOs, CXO and for all of the industries altogether, education, manufacturing, could be any of the vertical altogether. We have the products and solution for you all. So what Crestron do in this industry, in this market? So it's a 52 years old organization and we manufacture each and everything in US. So what we say is that any of the product which we manufacture is coming from US, manufactured in US. The products line which we have is 3,500 SKUs which we manufacture. All of the products have the functionalities in the audio and video. Very good products, robust products and meant for the new offices and the revamp of your office. So this is our factory, how it looks like and how the people work in US factory for the product which help in increasing the productivity in the conference room, in huddle spaces, in your training spaces, in big conference room, in town hall and in auditorium. Wherever you think we have something for you. This is what we say is that the traditional workplaces. Earlier, your offices, your premises looks like this. Few of the lobbies, few of the meeting spaces and few of the conference room. But after LinkedIn, after Google, after Amazon, all those workspaces has come into the picture. Now everybody, every user want to change the user perspective. They want the best in the room. They want best in their conference room. They want best in their auditoriums and the town hall spaces. So what we say is that Crestron has the products for all of these. So we have the hardware solutions for fitness centers, coffee bars, workshops, town hall, dining rooms, war room, conference room, experience centers, huddle spaces, training centers. So whatever you build in your premise, in your office, we have the solution for you.
Control
How we do?
by Crestron.
The
Putting
video,
you
a
in
short
command.
video will tell you.
From yesterday's simple needs to today's complex modern workplace. Real-time responsiveness, real-time benefits. Simple, secure, convenient control so you can do more. Control your supported room technology, your supported building systems, audio, video, unified communications, lights, shades, climate, security, microphones, cameras, technology working together, cohesively, seamlessly, for the ways you live, learn, and work. One interface, one touch, or by simply entering the room. Control single rooms, entire floors, entire buildings, entire campuses, organization-wide. Control for virtually any application. Enterprise, education, government, retail, hospitality, residential. Control that works for you. End users, IT managers, AV managers, in-person or remote. Control that suits your needs. Centralized, software-based, or distributed, hardware-based. Easy to scale, easy to manage, easy to deploy. Control more, know more, do more. Control by Crestron.
This is what all we do in the office spaces. So we have the video conferencing solutions, we have the wireless presenter solutions, we have the switching solutions, and then we have a display solution. So whatever you want to do in your rooms, in your conference room, you want to increase your productivity, you want to increase your employees' productivity, or you want to connect globally or internationally, wherever you are, we have the solution for you. So this is what we call is, we can control your curtains, we can control your lightings of the rooms, we can control your air conditioners, we can control your video conference. Whatever you have in your office premise, we can control with one touch panel. This is also from Crestron. This is a cable manager which provides a view of HDMI, Type-C, and different types of power connectivity. So any of your conference room which is looking for new versions of connectivity, like Apple laptops, they have Type Cs, some have Thunderbolt, some have HDMI, some have VGA. So a lot of time you would have seen, there are a lot of issues faced in the conference room. People says, I am connecting but unable to display. I am connecting but it is taking much of the time. I am connecting but I am not getting a best of the best video. But what we say is that we have a solution for you. By this, it will help a seamless solution. This is our video conference platform. The video conference, the bars, and then the multiple camera solution for your rooms. For your small room, we have a bar which has the camera, speaker, mic. For doing a Google Meet, for doing a Teams, for doing a Zoom, for doing a WebEx. Any of the video conference which you want to do from your rooms, you have the solution. It's a bar solutions which we have. And then we have a solution for the bigger rooms as well. So we have a video conferencing solution for this type of area. So we can deploy few of the cameras on your left and right, and then we can do the video call as well. So that is also available with us. This is a small space, small room solution where we say a cabin room. 2 people, 4 people are doing a video conference. So we have a bar which has the camera, speaker, mic, and it can justify your 6 feet to 10 feet of the spaces. This is for the larger areas. The bars video conferencing solution for the larger area. We say till 25 feet, this bar, this camera will take care of you. This is how it looks like. A TV panel is installed. Below to it, a bar is installed, and there is one touch panel on the table, which will take care of your Teams, Zoom, and WebEx call. Within one touch, you click and you can join any of your video calls. And you can do the presentation as well, which is wirelessly. So if you want to connect your Apple phones, your laptops, your mobiles, your iPads, or anything from the room in the conference, that is also available. So this is how it works, a bar and then a dongle which works wirelessly. This is our solution which we say as PTZ cameras for the multiple room tracking. So what we say is that from anywhere you can be connected through a video. So multiple cameras as per your requirement for the bigger spaces, for your town hall, for your cafeterias, and then training rooms. So this is the cameras which can be suited as per the requirement, and accordingly track the person whosoever speak, and the same video will go to the far side. This is how the room looks like. The person comes, automatically the curtain goes down, lights get on, and the video conference starts. There are 2 TV panels in the room. One is doing the video, one is doing the content, and then 4 cameras are tracking as per the audio. As soon as anybody speaks from the room, automatically the camera will track the person. These rooms we built and we called as 10 seconds rooms. So as the person comes into the room, within 10 seconds, each and everything should work. Curtain should be down, light should be on, video conference should be on, and then you can able to do your video conference. This is again a different way of doing video conference. Like the way before my presentation I was hearing sir, he was talking a lot about on AI. Yes, it's right now a big cup of coffee which everybody is looking for. So what AI is doing in these cameras, so what we have done is we have built this AI in the cameras of Crestron. What happens is as the person speaks, it tracks, it tells you who is this person, that is second. Third is if you want your director to be fixed always as a view and you want other of the person to be tracked with different of the cameras, that also it can do. In your meetings, as you are sitting and you are doing a video call, that's okay. But if you stand and then you walk, automatically this camera will track you. So what is happening is this AI is taking this view and it captures in the camera, and automatically as the best shot comes of the person, automatically this camera tracks. So it's a full AI system which is built in this camera. This is how we build few of the bigger rooms as well, which we say is a sightline experience, in which you have a TV panel on the front and on the right and on the left, and then you have a 2 cameras in front, 2 cameras on the right. The ceiling mics are coming from the ceiling the black boxes, and speakers is also on the ceiling. So you do not have anything on the table. It's just a one touch panel which will do your any of the call. So what happens in this room is, it gives you same view like your telepresence. Earlier the telepresence were a big thing altogether in video conference. This is the same type of solution. What we say is you sit on the director chair or you sit on the first chair. The video of you will go simultaneously same to the far side. This is we called as a sightline experience. This we have done for few of our customers. So you see one big TV panel. On the left we have the cameras, on the front we have the cameras, the mics and the speakers are on ceiling, and then you can do the video conference with some wow factors. So this is one way of doing a video call, where we say on your one TV panel we will showcase your video, and on the second we will showcase your content. So any of the presentation which is happening in the room or coming outside from the room, automatically it will go to the one TV panel and another will always remain for the video. So what happens is, if you run out your Excels, if you run out your PowerPoint, from the last seat also it is very, very good in a way visible to the people, because you are giving one panel specifically for your presentations. This is again one wow factor which we creates in your conference room. What happens in your conference room, you are there for three types of thing. One is your meeting, second is your video meetings, and third is your virtual meetings. So there are three types of meetings which are happening in your conference room. But what happens is, you are lot of time confused while ordering tea and coffee for the people. So what we say is that in our video conference we have built this functionality as well. So if you have to order tea, coffee, whatever you want from your conference room, in the same touch panel in which you are doing a Teams, Zoom and WebEx call, the same touch panel will give you this functionality called as your food menu. Your organization, your menu and your pantry option is in front of you, which says tea, coffee, snacks, water, whatever you want to order in the conference room, you just order and confirm the order. Automatically it will goes to your pantry like this. Conference room 1, this is the order, 1 tea, 2 coffee and 1 snacks. That is also built in. So imagine it's a very, very wow factor which is available in the video conference solution. Nobody in this world provide you this solution where we say that you do your video and you do your pantry as well. That's why we say, as Crestron, we can control anything. Whatever you have in your mind, whatever issue you face right away in your organization, whatever you want from us, we can build a solution around it. This is how the Crestron has been built. This is a wireless presentation solution. So what we say is that we build few of the rooms wirelessly. You come into the room, you plug in your iPhone adapter and automatically it will present wirelessly. You plug in your iPad, automatically it will present wirelessly, and then you plug on your laptop, automatically it will present wirelessly. Without wires, any of your room, we can build it. So lot of people investing lot of money says that I want a wow factor in the room, I want best of the best IT in the room, I want best of the best AV in the room, but at last end with few of the wires on the table. What we say is we will give you each and everything wireless, nothing wired. So whatever you want to do video or a presentation, anything and everything is a wireless there. So this is a dongle, how it looks like. This is very easy to plug. It is a Type-C connector. You just have to plug this Type-C connector to any of your device. As you plug, automatically your screen will go to the TV panel. This is again one of our solution we called as room scheduler. So what is happening is, in your organization there are 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 sort of rooms, and what happens is all rooms remain always busy and you do not know who is using, are they utilizing right, are they doing justice to the infra, or are they doing a relevant meetings in relevant spaces. So what I mean is, suppose there is a meeting which is required for the 3 people, then why they are sitting at the 10 seats of the conference room and they are doing a video call? Could be some people are just coming to do video call from the conference room and the guy is only one. And could be few of the persons has booked the room and they are not available in the region, they are traveling right away. So there are a lot of issues which everybody face in their daily way of doing a business in productivity of the conference rooms and the huddle spaces. So what we say is that you can schedule your spaces. So this is a touch panel which is available from Crestron, which will go outside your room and you can book your rooms. You say from 3 to 4 it's been booked by X, 4 to 5 it's been booked by Y, and from 6 to 8 it will be booked by Z. So anything and everything of your rooms you can schedule from this hardware. This is how it looks like. Outside your room, it will says that I am being placed, and you can schedule the rooms from your phone, from your laptops, and while coming outside the room as well. So it is available in any of the platform. The green light shows the room is available and the red light shows the room is not available. This is the ceiling speakers. We have the ceiling speakers as well, and then we have the amplifiers as well, which is also from Crestron. Crestron is the organization which gives you 3 years of warranty in each and every of the product, and anything and everything what I am discussing with you all is being manufactured in US. This is a great product we called as 𝐒𝐞𝐬𝐴. So what happens is once you deploy 10, 15, 20, 40 sort of hardwares in your conference rooms, now it's time to manage them. How you will manage them? You cannot ask your engineer always to go into the room and check, your room is working or not working. Is your room healthy or not healthy as per the IT is concerned? So what we say is that this portal will take care of your whole rooms. In your rooms, you can see from my 10 rooms in the organization, 5 rooms are working and 5 rooms are not working. And the rooms which are not working, what are the issues these rooms are facing? So could be internet would be an issue, could be HDMI would be an issue, could be some connectivity would be an issue. So this portal will help you. This portal will mail you early morning, could be at 6 a.m. in the morning, and says that today's in our office 12 rooms is working and 2 rooms are not working. So you know where you have to send your engineer to make it work right, and accordingly it will help you to decrease your incident tickets as well. This is all from my side. Thank you for listening me patiently. Anybody has any of the queries, I am just around, we can discuss it. Thank you.